नमस्कार बच्चों। आज हम आपको डिग्रीज़ के बारे में कुछ बताने जा रहे हैं। जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली एंड सी ऑन द स्क्रीन ऑफ योर मोबाइल व्हेन आई जस्ट स्पीक आउट द वर्ड you can follow it and you can listen it carefully. Okay, so we can learn all these comparative degree and superlative degree within 10 minutes. So it is very much clear to all of you that I just read it out and you follow me. Okay, sweet, comparative degree is sweeter, superlative degree is sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Great, greater, greatest. When we see the second part of this degree, we see that if the word is end with E, just listen carefully. If the word is end with E, then we use R in comparative degree and ST in superlative degree. Just listen carefully. Brave, BRAVE. The word ends with E. Braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Now we come to the third part of this positive, comparative and superlative degrees. When the word ends with Y and Y is replaced with IER in comparative degree and IEST in superlative degree. Let us see the examples. Happy, HAPPY, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Now we come to the next part of this positive, comparative and superlative degree. When the word is given and the last word is the last letter is consonant, before last letter there is a vowel. So we just think one thing, that we should try to double the last letter. You see, red, redder, reddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. So we use the last word 2 times in comparative degree along with ER and in superlative degree EST. Now come to the next part. Beautiful. For comparative degree it is more beautiful. For superlative degree it is most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Careful, more careful, most careful. This is all about the degrees, which is very much related to our class. So you read it and you learn it. And one thing especially, you should try to write down all these things in your copy and send the photograph to me. Okay, if you will do this, You will learn all the things easily. Okay? Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Great, greater, greatest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Red, redder, reddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Careful, more careful, most careful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. This is all about your degrees. Okay, listen 2 or 3 times. Thank you.